Hello, let's get straight to it. If you are clocking out of a 9 to 5, coming home to a newborn baby, and trying to pull all nighters to build on YouTube, you are going to fail. That kind of grind is a fast track to burning out long before you even see 1,000 subscribers. But right now, there is a massive shift happening with the 2026 World Cup that gives regular working guys an incredible hidden advantage. And you only need exactly 1 hour after 10:30 p.m. to completely exploit. Look at the reality of your day. Your boss owns your morning and your family owns your evening. Your time ain't yours until the house goes entirely cool, usually around 10:30 p.m. This is where you deploy the halftime strat. Because the World Cup is in North America, the matches are broadcasting live here in India from late night to early in the morning. Probably millions of guys are wide awake, and the second that 15-minute halftime whistle blows, what do? They grab their phones and start scrolling, probably watching short form video. You are not fighting YouTube algorithm. You are stepping right into a live hyper engaged wave of traffic. I remember sitting exactly here at 11 p.m. dead tired, thinking, why am I editing this video right now if the whole country is asleep? Instead of overthinking it, I realized an entire group of audience is awake right. You don't need to film some massive cinematic production at midnight. You take the raw POV footage you shot during your morning commute to the office. Sit down at 10:30 p.m. and do a fast 30 minute edit. You don't schedule it for tomorrow. You hit publish exactly when that halftime traffic hit. You let their momentum push your video. Building a motovlog channel doesn't mean ignoring your family or riding hundreds of kilometers away. Your daily traffic through the city traffic is your content engine. And you want to know why? That is something every average Joe can relate. Talk about relatable content. However, it requires you to protect that one single hour at night like your life depends on. Now, once you use this halftime hack to start pulling in those views, you might think you need to wait for AdSense to make it worth your time. You don't. You can start landing micro sponsors right now, even with a small subscriber count. Click this video right here where I break down exactly how I got my first brand deal with just 4,000 subscribers. Protect your time, take care of the family, and I'll see you over in that video.